This site that I will be showing you today will do all of the hard work for you. And by using it, as you can see, I've made $473 today and $387 yesterday. So if you want to start making money online, make sure to keep watching until the end, as I will show you step by step how to set this up for yourself, so you can start making money online. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. I really do appreciate it. And you haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that being said, let's now get right to it. Okay, so before I even go ahead and show you all of the steps in this tutorial and all the sites you need to use in order to make this work, here is evidence of my own earnings. This is just in 2 days in affiliate commissions. This affiliate strategy, guys, differs from the rest mainly due to the fact that you don't even have to share your affiliate link anywhere whatsoever. You don't need to spam your link on the YouTube comments. You won't have to go to various Facebook groups. No Twitter, nothing like that. The tool that I will be showing you literally does everything for you. And I will show you step by step how to set up everything for yourself. Before I go ahead and show you the tool, however, let me first reveal to you the site that actually paid me in these affiliate commissions. That site is called gfzoo.com. This site is similar to the likes of ClickBank, Digistore24, and all other affiliate websites. What makes it stand out from the crowd, however, is that it's not strictly focused on physical and digital products. You have various make money online products, cooking products, and so on. Now, aside from that, another fantastic feature of this site that I know many of you will appreciate is that it has so many different payment options for you to choose from. PayPal is arguably the most popular one, but the thing with PayPal is that it's not available everywhere, and so for those of you who are perhaps living in various Asian countries or in Africa, there are other options. Now, with that said, guys, you can read more about this site, what it is, and so on and so forth. But I won't go over that. What you need to do when you first come on here is to create your brand new account. And you will do just by clicking on Start for Free in the upper right corner here. From there, you will have to register by entering your basic information. You will then verify that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. And finally, you choose a way to get and you're good to go from there. When you sign into your brand new account, this is what you will come across on your dashboard. You can see information about your earnings. See how many visitors, sales, the gross revenue, and your earnings. Now, in order for you to browse different products for you to promote as an affiliate and grab the links, what you need to do is click on affiliates right here, and then you will need to click on find products. This will not take you straight over to this page and will show you thousands upon thousands of different offers which you can promote as an affiliate. Something that I really love about GVZoo is that it gives you quite a bit of useful information so that you know exactly which product is the best for you to promote as an affiliate, so you can actually get paid. You can see the launch date of products, how many of them were sold. Connie here stands for the conversion rate. What a conversion rate means for those of you not familiar with affiliate marketing is how many people percentage-wise bought the product after they went over to the sales page. For example, a conversion rate of 5% means that 5 out of 100 people bought the product. The next thing you can see is EPC. This stands for earnings per click, which is essentially the average amount of money made each time someone clicked on one of the affiliate links relating to the product in question. Something that is very nice to know is the average price, so you don't want to promote a product that's too cheap and won't make you a lot of money. And one of the most important things in the list is the refund rate. You want to be less than 10% because obviously promoting a product that people are not satisfied with isn't good for you and won't make you a lot of money. Out of all those things that I've mentioned, the number of products sold, the conversion rate, the refund rate, and the average price is what you want to look out for. The number of products sold is quite important because you know it's a good product without even having to check the other stats. And more importantly, people will be more willing to buy a product that has sold many copies. You also want the conversion rate to be above 10% most of the time. The refund rate, as I've said, should be lower than 5%. And you want the average price to be somewhere around $40 or $50. Something else that is quite important as well, guys, is the launch date of the product. So don't promote products that are too old. Try to find newer ones instead. When you pick your product, you need to now request approval in order to get the affiliate link. And when you're doing that, you can tell them stuff like, I'm experienced in affiliate marketing and I know how to promote products in this particular niche, and I'll be able to get sales to your page and so on and so forth. When you type all of that in, you need to click on I'm not a robot right here, tick this box, and finally click on request approval. Now to promote your product, you can use a variety of tools at your disposal, social media being one of the most powerful and most often used tools as well. For example, what you can do is go over to different Facebook groups, and since my niche is to make money online, I searched for making money online groups in particular. And as far as social media concerned, guys, Facebook groups are generally not a bad way to go because they have thousands of members at the very least and hundreds of thousands at most. So you will be able to get some clicks to your link that way definitely. The next two options you have are Instagram and Twitter. So you can create an Instagram page relating to your niche and post affiliate link in your bio. Or alternatively, you can try using Twitter and look for people who want to make money online. Now, these methods do work, guys, keep that in mind, but they're not the best in my opinion. The best way to do this by far is by using the two I mentioned way at the beginning of this tutorial, guys. I will leave the link to it in the description box below. Now, the software will get you traffic to any affiliate link within seconds, and without even requiring any work from your site. The way this works is you entering keywords from your niche into this software. They will then create automatically a viral video for you. You will then add in the affiliate link where you want all of the traffic to go. And finally, you just have to let the software do the work for you. This, as you can see, is a brand new app that puts your links in front of up to 1 billion visitors simultaneously for unlimited free traffic in 60 seconds, even if you're a newbie with zero experience. So this allows you to make money in affiliate marketing even if you have absolutely no experience. And it does not involve any work from your site either. This is arguably the best tool you can use if you're interested in affiliate marketing and building a passive income stream. If you're interested in using this tool, then go ahead and grab my affiliate link to it in the description below, as I got you a great deal and it will literally cost you less than 20 bucks. And with that said, this is for today's video. If you liked it and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming uploads, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon.